one problem I have about Thailand. Everything is not built for a guy my size. Here's the ATM. I gotta go to the ATM. But I cannot go in, and I'm too wide. Not built for a guy my size, but I have to go to the ATM.
Bagus.
Today we come to the market. We'll show you, we need to buy some vegetables. They have fresh fruit here, vegetables, meat, fish, a whole bunch of stuff. But anyway, we'll show you around and show you prices, and we'll see if we can get Juan to eat some nasty stuff.
No.
We'll see. Right now, the exchange rate is like 34 baht to $1. So when you see the prices, just remember 34 baht, $1.
So many.
What do we need to buy today?
I think we need some other Him asked me, him asked where are you go? Him asked where are you go?
Where you go?
Him
I
asked
go
you.
crazy. What are you buying?
This pakchi
Cilantro.
and some kapao.
I have no idea what that is. I think we don't have. Cabbage.
Whoa.
Oi.
This is Thonburi. Green onions.
Can't even think. Scallion.
อันนี้ค่ะ Money.
What'd you say?
Money. Thank you.
Don't show my ugly wallet, huh?
Not enough. $50.
50 baht. What's that? $1.20 something? I don't know.
We buy 3 things.
Thank you very much. เพราะว่าไม่กี่วันเนี่ยน้องที่เป็นดีสามเอ็กมาซื้อมา79
Let's go this way.
Okay.
All the same.
Something different.
Just the girls different. What are you buying?
มะเขือ
What?
มะเขือ
Don't talk to me like that.
I don't know English call what, but 20 baht.
Baby eggplant.
Yes. Okay.
Those are some good looking onions. That's a lot of watermelon. How much watermelon? 120 baht.
Coconut.
120 baht. 110 baht. And have a lot of coconut. So nice smile. How are you? Kakon crap.
Big banana.
Would you say?
Big banana. 60 baht, but
60
not
baht.
ready yet.
Is what, $1.90 somewhere around there? I don't know. Dragon fruit, so delicious here, man. Narak. So shy. Kapon crab. Oh, yeah, a lot of fruit over here. I want to
I
look
will
for fruit.
buy.
Oh, what's this?
I will buy 20 banana.
What is it?
This is makam. This mango.
Mango macam.
And this grape.
What?
Grape.
Grape.
Yes.
Baby grapes.
So this. I think like that. Not look beautiful. อันนั้นเหมือนกันไหมมันเละไหมคะ
400เอา10 บาทพอได้เลยครับ
I bought 20 baht banana.
Oh, these freaking grapes are huge. Yai Mac.
เร็ว
Hello. Somebody
มา
Mac?
พร้อม
America.
นี่ครับ
Yeah, where do you come from?
ไทยแลนด์แค่
Oh, grapes. Yai Mac.
นี่
Yeah, you try.
From Japan? Japan?
ที่แพน
Yeah, Japan.
Did you try the day?
Oh, that's this one?
Yeah.
I thought that was baby mango.
No.
I just tried this one the other day. It's so delicious. Remind me of What fruit did I say it tastes like? I'll get one. I'll get one later. I can't remember what it tasted like. What is that? Coconut inside?
Yeah, coconut. This one they do fry check.
Fire check. They roast it. It's roasted. They roasted the shell.
And flavor will change.
Yeah, like a barbecue coconut.
Yeah.
That apple's huge. There's nothing that way.
Seafood.
Oh, seafood. You want to start in the seafood? There's still a lot of vegetables. There's still 3-4 rows of vegetable we didn't look at. I mean, fruit. Alright, half this stuff I don't like, huh? Oh, shoot.
Do this.
What kind of fish is that? Oh. These things are huge. ใหญ่มาก
ใหญ่มาก
อร่อยไหม
มาก
โอเคอร่อยไหม
อร่อยมากค่ะ
Sure
ค่ะ
อันนี้เท่าไหร่ How much
วันกิโล 1,350 บาท
Oh, 1,000 yeah 1,350 baht Oh, 4 piece Man Oh So freaking hot, man. Sweating my butt off. But I have this drink, strawberry green tea. I took one sip. Hey, Juan, buy something I never tried before, okay?
I will write here.
What is it?
This is coconut ring some powder.
What is the hell is that? There's corn inside.
Yes.
What's the green stuff?
Like a bubble. No, like an egg frog. You
You're like an egg frog.
and you can put some coconut inside here. Yes. So yummy. Yeah. This is cherry. This is egg.
It's not egg frog. Okay, I'll try it.
Can you hold up? This is
Oh, it's alright.
yeah, like a egg rock.
Like coconut's really good. It's sweet, so sweet, and I don't know what that is, condensed milk or sweet coconut or something.
You have to show not the
We'll have to see.
this is 25 baht.
25 baht, so I don't know, 90, 85 cents, 90 cents or something. You want to get close?
Look yummy.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Yeah, it's alright. It's good. Like that. Like the hot sweet milk with coconut pieces. Alright, I don't know about this one. I don't like that hot milk so much. But I'll try it.
Good, right?
That's not coconut. That's like potato. Or the Japanese potato or something.
So the white sauce coconut.
That's not coconut.
Coconut.
It's not coconut.
I tell you.
Yeah, this is good too. Sweet. And it's like heat potato. Like boiled potato cut in little squares with sweet milk and coconut. It's good.